Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove bullet point in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document and take a bulleted list. Now we want to remove the bullet point. In this list, select the whole text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu and we can see here many options. Now we select the bullets option, then choose the none option, and we can see we remove the bullet point this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.